MalyPLUS offers many unique features like displaying current loans and saving favorite resources and search history, but first you must log into your account. To log in, begin at the library's homepage and input a query using search terms in MalyPLUS. A yellow banner will initially appear at the top of the page. You can click the Sign In option there, or at any point while searching, select the Sign In option in the top right-hand corner. Seminarians, select the top link and use your Office 365 credentials to log in. Lay students, faculty, and staff, select the middle link and use your Office 365 credentials to log in. Registered guests, select the bottom link and use the email you have registered with the library. When logging in the first time, you will need to select the Reset Your Password option. Input your registered email address in the bottom box and select the green button. Instructions will be sent to that email and then you will be able to sign in. If you're an adjunct faculty member, former faculty member, staff member, special guest patron, or lay student who does not use an MTSM email address, follow the instructions found on the home page under News and click the MalyPLUS link. More detailed information is provided on this page along with what to do and who to contact when troubleshooting.